Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting dessert using a box mix. And today we are making a delicious lemon and blueberry bread pudding complete with a silky cream cheese sauce. So stick around while we make something boxed, but better. The first thing you will need is 10 slices of day-old bread. I like to choose a dense bread. The bread I'm using here is brioche bread. Then cut them into bite-sized pieces. You can cut about 3 slices across and 3 slices down, or 4 slices across and 4 slices down. It's really up to you. Once you're done, put that to the side as we make our pudding. In a large bowl, we are going to add 1½ cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 large eggs, and 1 small box of stovetop lemon pudding mix. Mix this together on a medium speed until all of your ingredients are well incorporated. It took me about 2 minutes to mix everything together thoroughly. Then add your bread pieces and gently fold this into your mixture until all of the pieces are evenly coated. Let your bread mixture set for about 3 minutes, stirring every minute very gently to alternate the bread pieces so that it can absorb the mixture evenly. Then we are going to add a ½ cup of blueberries. You can use frozen or fresh. Then fold the blueberries in gently a few times. If you stir it too much, you will dye your bread a purple-gray color, which it will still taste the same, but if you're obsessed with presentation like I am, stir gently. Scoop your bread pudding and your blueberries into an 8x8 glass square pan. If you find that your blueberries are maybe heavy on one side and light on the other, you can add a few extra blueberries, or you can just push it around until you get it where you want it to be. Remember not to press down too firmly as you are pushing this around your pan because we do not want to squish our bread. Once you are done, it is time to place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for our cream cheese sauce. In a medium-sized saucepan, we are going to add 2 ounces of cream cheese, a ½ tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a ½ tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of whole milk. Place this over medium heat on the stove, stirring constantly until your cream cheese melts and all of your ingredients will start to incorporate together, looking thick and creamy. Be sure not to exceed a medium heat so that you do not burn your cream cheese mixture, and once it has become fully incorporated, we are going to add a ½ cup of milk in 4 increments at a time, stirring in between each one until your mixture becomes fully incorporated, and then adding the next increment of milk. Continue to do this until your last increment has been fully added and your milk is thick and creamy. If you would like a thinner sauce, you can always add an extra ¼ cup of milk. It has been 45 minutes and our bread pudding is done. Look how beautiful and golden brown it is on the top. I know preferences are different, but I recommend serving this bread pudding while it is still warm. You can add the sauce on top individually or pour it over the entire pan before serving to your guests, or just for yourself. I am not judging if this is all for you because, quite frankly, it is delicious. And look how beautiful that is, really thick and soft in the middle with a delightful crunch on the top and a sauce to just balance out that nice tart berry and lemon. And there we have it, our delicious lemon and blueberry cream cheese bread pudding. Thank you for joining me. I had a lot of fun and I hope you did too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer them. And I will see you next time on Boxed But Better with Jenna. Using a box mix.
I didn't think that was going to make noise.
Could you be any louder?